In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to check Google One subscription. We will walk through the basic steps slowly so you always know what you are seeing on screen. First, open your browser and search for Google One. Type Google One into the address bar or search box, then press enter. On most browsers, you will see a search results page with the familiar Google layout. Near the top of the results, you should see a result titled Google One with a short description mentioning storage and membership. If you scroll a little, you might also see links that mention support or features, but for now you only need the main Google One result. Taking a second to confirm that title helps you avoid opening an unrelated page that just talks about Google storage in general. Once you have found that, click the correct Google One link and sign in. After you click, the page will load and you may see a sign-in screen with the Google logo at the top and fields for email and password. Choose the same Google account that you use for Gmail, Google Drive, or Google Photos so your subscription details match your actual storage. If you have multiple accounts, the page may list them one under another, and it is easy to click the wrong one, so glance at the address under each account before continuing. After entering your details, the page will redirect automatically. You do not need to click any extra confirmation for Google One. When the sign-in is successful, you will land inside the Google One area and the main dashboard will appear. Now check the home dashboard for an immediate overview of your storage. On the home screen, you should see a large storage section, often near the top or center, showing how much space you are using and how much is included in your plan. It usually appears as a colored bar or a circle with numbers like 15 gigabytes of 100 gigabytes. Right below or beside it, you may see labels for Google Drive, Gmail, and Google Photos, showing how much each service is using from your total. That breakdown tells you whether your space is mostly taken by mail, files, or pictures. If you have an active Google One subscription, the plan name, such as 100 gigabytes or 200 gigabytes, appears clearly near that storage section. You might also see the renewal term, like monthly or yearly, listed near the plan name. When that area is visible, you have successfully checked both your storage amount and the fact that your account is covered by Google One. If instead you only see a message about upgrading, that usually means you are still on the free tier and have no paid plan at the moment. You have now opened Google One and read your current plan and storage usage directly from the home dashboard. If this helped you confirm your Google One subscription, a quick thumbs up really helps others find it, and you can subscribe as a light way to catch future guides.